Hello and welcome back, everybody. This week we got something a little different for you on 256 Garage. One of the trucks, my F350 that we pull with, haul a trailer and pull cars around sometimes. We live out here in the country, as you can tell, gravel road. Well, when you let one set for a little while, critters kind of take over. Well, they've chewed a few wires on this thing. It wouldn't crank, so I got to digging around on it, and actually they have chewed several wires in two. So I'm gonna have to get the vacuum cleaner out here and vacuum all this up and then start repairing some wires. And if you got a good idea on how to get rid of some chipmunks, leave some comments down below. Stay tuned. Sometimes even being 6'3", you're not tall enough. Make sure we get all this stuff out too, so when this engine gets hot, we don't start a fire. This old dry grass and weeds, I'm sure it can burst into flames pretty easy. Just hope nothing jumps out on us while we're doing this. Probably take it and pressure wash it. If we ever do get the crank again. Oh man, these are gonna be fun to put back together. Looks like everything maybe is colored with a stripe or something to tell what goes where. Oh, mercy me. I guess good thing we come out. I guess it's a good thing we come out here this weekend to try to crank this thing, or there might not have been nothing left. There's one way down in there. That's going to be hard to get rid of this beard. Oh, that's just where they chewed a chunk of one off. Alright, so I guess we need to find some wire connectors and pliers and cutters and some black tape and get to work. Oh me, oh my, what a mess. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 6 at least chewed all the way into, and then several getting started on. So let me gather up some supplies and we'll get started. Okay, got us some connectors, strippers, and some black tape. I'm just going to try to hook these up and just make sure everything runs first, and then I'll go back and later and put the like some heat shrink on them, keep moisture from getting in them, and tape all the bad spots up. Go ahead and strip everything first. Man, this is crazy, crazy. Always use a connector that fits your wire good. This pair of crimpers right here, my daddy has had these things for years. I mean, when I was a little bitty fella, I can remember using them. And when I say little fella, I mean 7th, 8th grade. I'm having to borrow his because all my good stuff's up there at Geraldine. Them 2 blocks out there. Actually, it connects here, and then this one also connects in here. So we're going to try to hook these two together here and take a blue connector.
Yes.
Okay, let's look. That looks like all well right here. It ain't through yet, but it would have been. Alright, that's got all of them fixed. So first thing we'll do is see if it cranks. And go from there. And it ain't gonna crank because the battery switch was left on. So let me hook up the battery charger. We'd sold a truck late Wednesday night, so I was gonna have to drive this into work. Got up Thursday morning, it's pouring down rain, and it won't crank. So I guess that's why the switch was left on. I was in a hurry. Whew. It's probably gonna have to charge a while, so yeah. So we'll let it charge, then come back with it, see if it'll crank. Okay, we're gonna see if this battery's charged. See if it'll crank up. Well, it hit. running. Alright, we'll get some good tape and shrink wrap. Make sure them connectors are good. Clean everything up. Tie it back down and see how it does down the road.